All right, we're here at Horseshoe Pond trying out some new baits. They are called Nikko baits. They are from Japan and they're soft plastic. So we got here we got a Helgramite. It's like a little centipede, millipede type thing. Probably Texas rig that. Got some minnows with a little fluke tail on there. Probably try drop shotting that, and then some tadpoles. Which those will be interesting. Those could be top water or on a jig. We'll see. Stay tuned for the end. You might see some bloopers from some engine trouble we had last time out. So. Yep. Man. Oh, you caught one with it. Yep. First one on the Nikko. Right in the weeds. Nice one. I put up a fight like it was a huge one. Yeah, it must have been in the weeds. Because immediately you drag it. He said dragon, like dragon. Yeah. Lightning, thunder. Alright, something's nibbling. Ooh, nice. 5. Yeah. I waited it out. Yeah. Another one on the Nikko. Nice. So, another huge one. 10 pounds. Ooh, almost threw that one in the woods. There we go. On the minnow. Nice. I like it so far. That felt like it was going sideways. So set that. How's it holding up? Well, nice. It pulls the hook through, but yeah, it's definitely got some life left in it. Good. Yeah, they're supposed to be super durable. Yeah, like. Yeah, it looks like it hasn't even been used. All right. Yeah, exactly. Remember when we saw that huge one jump and then only caught 2 dinks? That was cool. There we go. Yeah, probably will. This feels like a good one. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a really good one. Nice. Yes. All right. Nice. Damn, dude. Patience paid off with a Nikko bait. Hadn't got many bites with it yet, but oh, that was barely in there. Finally got one, and it's a really nice one. Say 2.5? Yeah. And caught a lot. Yeah, it looks like. I don't even think I made that hole. If I did. If that guy jumped, he was gone.
Yeah. Alright, well, you want to end it on a high note? What else would it be?
I don't know, but there's some minnows right next to you that might not like it. I don't know, whip your gun out. Oop. Oh, God. My hand got stuck under my leg. It was a little, where I hopped out was a little deeper than I thought it was. Okay. How did that happen?
Oh.
Propeller fell off.
Huh.
It must have come unscrewed when we were driving with it down. Okay. Well, learned that lesson the hard way.
All right, heads up. It's closer than I thought. Not quite, but
That's about what I thought.
I was expecting it another.
It's like 800 miles.
Yeah. Oh, thank God. That's much more relieving. Well, the thing is, like, if there is a fishing...
Hold off till we get out to the bridge.
Word.